We can add different sound effects to each click. In this example, we will use 2 different sounds. Just like textures, sounds are also assets, so just drag them into our HUD and wait for it to finish. We can now scan new assets through our control panel. To add a click sound, we can edit our functions that are already ready, just adding a sound action. We then choose whether to start, stop, or leave a sound looping. In our case, we want the sound to play only once when we click. Then we choose which sound will play and confirm the volume. Repeat the same process for all other buttons already created. With all buttons already edited, we can now save and build our project. Returning to Second Life, we can notice that now each click plays a sound.